guys, so amazingly, this is like the first time that Ethan has had a real blowout in his diaper. So I thought that we would show you guys what it's like when baby Ethan has some sort of a blowout. So I already have wipes and a diaper pulled out. Just need to put something under him. So first things first. Oh, gross. That is in the inside of his first onesie. But we gotta get it off this way so it doesn't go over his head into his hair or mouth or eyes or ears. Okay, let's get this off, okay? And it's really bad on the sides in here. Yeah. So I don't know how long he's been sitting in this, so we're gonna try and hurry to get him out. Damn, made such a big mess, little boy. Okay, white onesie off. Now let's get into the real nasty stuff. Let's open this diaper, huh? Let's open this diaper up. Full of pee and poop. Yucks. So there's poop sitting on the surface. Okay, this is disgusting. Okay. It's really challenging to get all the poop off him most of the time. I don't know why God made my life so hard. But you know, gotta roll with the punches. I think I got most of it. But obviously most of it isn't enough because diaper rashes are real. So we're gonna get all of it. Every last droplet. No, you peed. What was that? Okay. Looks like we are all good. Now I just need to grab my one of these. It's in a newborn diaper. When he was born, he was in preemie, so he has grown. And you have grown, my boy. My little sweet boy. Okay. And I just picked out this, like, one piece to put on him because it is kind of colder than when he was put to sleep. So now he'll have a onesie on him, or a sleeper, or a jumper or something because there's no feet to it, so it's not really a sleeper. Come here. Oh, come here. Okay, there he is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put baby powder in his diaper. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm so sorry. I didn't completely forget. Oh no. Okay. Sorry, bug. We're gonna comb his hair and get him fed, but thank you guys for joining us. Please like and subscribe. And remember, always have an amazing day. Say bye!